I used to have a big butt. No, I really did. It was always a problem. It got in the way of me talking with people I used to work with, people in social settings, and people I care about. Then one day I realized I had to get rid of my big butt. So I used to say things like, yeah, I really like your idea, and I know your time is really important, but we need to get this done. Can we get on with it? And when you listen to that, you kind of go, yeah, that'd tick me off too. So this quickie is simply to replace the word but with and. So I like your idea, and we've got some work to do. How about we figure out a way to make that happen? So if you substitute the word and for but, you'll keep rapport with people. You won't tick them off either. That's the quickie for today. Give it a try. See how you get on. Let me know. Bye for now.